Get up right up to the grip roll. Sam's got a thing for elves. Get this marriage, you know. You really think saving the princess would convince me you're straight? Above your skirt, fatty, so 2008.
Oh snap, it's Ganondorf, trying to check out my style. Batman's cape, Lincoln's beard, were you dressed by a child? You're a ginger with no soul, and you look like troll. Isn't kidnapping helpless girls getting a little bit old?
You think Zelda's stupid enough to get kidnapped so often? He runs up to my castle, to my room, and begs to get locked in. Yeah, she's thinking your little deck, you nuts and girly